Today we are going to be focusing on missing numbers. Write the missing number that makes each equation true. Show your work. First, I'm going to read number 3. 9 plus space equals 8 plus 8. The first thing you want to do is to solve 8 plus 8. I am going to put 8 plus 8 in a bracket, so I remember not to forget to add the number. So I have my 8 plus 8 in a bracket. 8 plus 8, 16. Now I'm going to rewrite my equation. 9 plus space. So I'm going to write 9 plus question mark equals. The equal sign means that the number on both sides have to be equal. That means they have to be the same. So you want to make sure you pay attention to that. So I'm going to count how many times I am going to count from 9 to 16. I'm going to use my number line strategy to solve, my 100 chart to solve this problem. The first thing I'm going to do is to locate the 9 on your 100 chart. Make sure you find your 9 on the 100 chart. The next thing I'm going to do is to count how many times to get to 16. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took me 7 counts to get to 16. So 9 plus 7 equals 16. And I'm going to put 7 here, because if I add these two numbers, it would give me 16. That's how I got 16 here. Number 4. I'm going to read the equation. 16 minus 8 equals 10 minus space. Do the same thing. Put the full equation in bracket. I'll solve 16 minus 8 first. 16 minus 8 is 8. So I'm going to rewrite my equation. Equal 10 minus question mark. So again, the equation has to be the same on both sides. What's the missing number here? How many times do I have to count from 8 to get to 10? Again, if you don't know what to do, in order for me to subtract, all I have to do with this right here, I'm going to subtract 10 minus the missing number. So I'm going to find 8 on my number line chart. And I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2. I just counted 2 times. So the missing number here is going to be 2. So 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8 is 2. So my missing number is 2. Number 5. Space minus 4 equals 16 minus 5. I am going to make sure that, guys, don't ever do this. If you do this, it's wrong. You want to make sure you circle the full equation, not this one. This one is an error, so leave that part alone. 16 minus 5 is 11. What am I going to do again? Minus 4 equals. So my question mark is going to be here. What is the missing number? Because there is a minus here. This is a bit tricky. What I am going to do now, I'm going to add, because I have a minus here. So I'm going to add minus 4 plus 11 equals to what? 15. 11 plus 4 is 15. Now I'm going to subtract my 15 minus 4 equals to what? 11. So the missing number here is 11. Sorry, the missing number there is 15, not 11. 15.